her that she was somewhere looking down at me all the time. And soon after that, I lost touch with music and what it was about for me. So I took a break and started to get letters about this song that it brought other people together, reminded them of those that they lost, and it gave them peace. And then I remembered that music wasn't about me, it was about coming together. It's about healing, it's about memories. And so I'd like to dedicate this to all of us here sharing this memory tonight, and all those people that we know are with us somewhere looking down at us as they look down from the sky.
When it rains, it pours and opens doors, they flood the floors, we don't know it, keep us safe and dry. And in the midst of sailing ships, we sing our lives into the ones we love that have to say goodbye. While I float upon this ocean, I can feel it like an ocean that won't seem to let me go. When I look to the sky, something tells me you're here with me, and you make everything alright. When I feel like I'm lost, something tells me you're here with me, and I can always find my way when you are here.
Y'all got your lights on out there?